Or succeeding's a load of crock, and anyone who thinks we don't die alone is kidding themselves.
Good morning, Sebastian. We're actually embracing the process for Alana and Gerard's sake.
Remind me, what part of forcing the guy to another 24 hours pretending to like us isn't cruel and unusual?
Maybe Alana shouldn't have to go through 2 unscheduled deaths.
He wants to die, and in my opinion, the BHS and Alana don't really get a say in that. What is this? Cottage cheese? Yogurt? On bacon? Are you on drugs?
No, Sebastian, go do some drugs.